are a great cleansing aroma to burn, to clear any negative atmosphere left over in the room you are meditating in. Sit with your back straight, either on a meditation cushion, meditation stool, or on a straight-back chair. Half close your eyes and rest your hands on your lap, either palms down or palms up. Now, starting with your diaphragm, take the deepest of deep breaths, filling your lungs until they can take no more air. Hold this for a few seconds before slowly, ever so slowly, letting the air escape from your mouth and nose. Keep letting the air escape until there is none left, and then give an extra push to really empty your lungs, and then pause for a few seconds before slowly, ever so slowly, beginning the process with those deep diaphragm-centered breaths, gradually filling your lungs until no air can be inhaled. Continue this process for another 4 more breaths, keeping the whole process slow and deliberate and feeling yourself relax and become more grounded as you keep inhaling and slowly exhaling. Imagine a white luminescent energy coming into your body through the crown of your head, your crown chakra. This is source energy, the energy which comes from source from which all things emanate, the creator of the universe and every living being, plant, creature and soul. As you bring in this white luminescent source energy, with each deep diaphragm-sourced breath, imagine that it is reaching and flooding every cell in your body so that the body is gleaming and shining with this white luminescent energy. This energy is pure positive energy. Remember that positive energy is twice as powerful as negative energy, and so by inhaling this white luminescent energy, you are purging any negativity from your system. It simply cannot exist in your body as you gradually fill the body up with this white source energy. Consciously make the breaths even slower and longer, and imagine the negative black energy being dissipated from your system. Now let's examine our mindset and try to assess how positive we are feeling on a scale from 1 to 10. We are going to move that feeling wherever it is on the scale, 1 notch up, onto the positive side. So if we are feeling a little flat and low, let's move that up a notch to feeling indifferent and just calm. If we are feeling depressed and suicidal, then let's move it up 1 notch on the scale to feeling low and subdued. If we are feeling moderately cheerful with nothing to complain about, then let's take it up 1 notch to feeling exuberant and joyful with not a care in the world. It is not too difficult to manipulate your mood levels in this way by small increments. This has the automatic effect of increasing your positivity. We have tens of thousands of thoughts each day. It would be impossible to try and control all of these individual thoughts, but it would be much easier to control our mood, and then the thoughts will follow the mood. This is the way to enhance our levels of positivity. Now, let's do another exercise, which is always a good way of increasing our levels of positivity. Let us just mentally start counting our blessings. Let's start with our health, assuming we are healthy. If we have children, add them to our blessings, even though they may sometimes drive us to distraction. Let us thank the universe for our house, our warm bed with clean sheets, our clothes, our phones with all their wonderful functionality, the food on our plates, the lovely meals we have eaten, the wonderful holidays we've had, the books we've loved, the CDs we own, the concerts we've enjoyed, the inventions that make our lives easier and labour-free, the country we live in, which is hopefully safe, democratic and prosperous, the trees, the grass, the plants, the leaves around us, the friends we have, our parents, our sisters and brothers, our work colleagues, our friends we socialise with or play sport with, our mentors, our guides, our loved ones, our pets, our cars, our music systems, our cameras, the countries we've visited, the people we have met or are yet to meet, our looks, our bodies. There are so many blessings to be grateful for. Now that we've mentally taken stock of our blessings, let us go back to the breathing. Take some really deep breaths, starting with the diaphragm. Slow, long, deep breaths in, and then slow, long exhalations out until there is no air left. Really feel the body relaxing. Now we're going to keep this positive feeling and take it with us throughout the day. Whenever we feel a negative emotion entering our minds, we're going to think back to the blessings in our life or transport ourselves away from the present to a beautiful place that is our dream location. It might be a tropical sandy beach with gently swaying palm trees, or it might be a wooden bench in a clearing in a beautiful forest. Now take yourself to this idyllic location and just relax as you walk along the beach or sit on your lovely bench. So if you find yourself in an extremely stressful situation at work, just trot off to the WC and take your mind to that paradise and feel your mood change and your levels of positivity rising again. Remember, you cannot control your thoughts, but you can control and change your mood. Each day you have thousands of thoughts, and it'd be quite impractical to control every single thought. So it is better to focus on changing your mood to a cheerful or happy one, and then all of your thoughts will follow and become automatically positive. It is impossible to think negative thoughts when you are feeling cheerful or happy. Just take yourself to that blissful location and that big smile will spread across your face. We all have little low moments, and often we wake up and for whatever reason we feel glum. Check that emotion and recognize you are feeling glum or down. Become detached from yourself like an outside observer and say to yourself, yes, I see that I have the blues today. I acknowledge this without judgment. I then consciously switch my mind and my mood to positive. I am going to actually trick the brain into moving into a positive mindset by forcing a big grin on my face and then laughing out loud and saying to myself loudly, how ridiculous to be glum and down. I've been given the privilege of another day on this wonderful, beautiful planet, and I am going to make the very best of this day because it could be my last. And how I would be cursing myself if I wasted this opportunity. I'm going to live today to the fullest extent and try to bring happiness to others and help others and not focus on my own dramas and misfortunes. I'm going to walk with a spring in my step and go forward and make a difference to others I come across or in my life. I will reach out and praise someone. Reach out and thank someone. Reach out and make someone smile. Today is a good day. And there, within minutes, the mood has changed. The mood has switched from a black one to a cheerful one. Keep that momentum going and remember that it is later than you think. In other words, you may have less time to do all these wonderful things than you actually think. Stay positive. Stay happy. Think of your blessings. Think of your luck at having another day on this planet. Stay focused on the good things in life. Remember that any challenges are tests of this laboratory which we call Mother Earth. How we react to those challenges defines us. When your mind is in a positive mindset, anything is possible. Doors open wide, opportunities unfold before us. The world is our oyster. Stay focused on pure potentiality, and anything is possible. If you can think it, you can have it. The power of intention makes the impossible possible. We are pure positivity, pure potential, pure love, and pure kindness. Give out, and it will come flooding back multifold. Help someone, and the help will be surrounding you. This is the power of the law of attraction. What you give your attention to, you get more of. So keep your thoughts positive, and the benefits that flood into your life will be innumerable. Rejoice, for you have discovered the secret to life and happiness and success. Stay focused on the positive, and your lives will change.